In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your PS5 controller to your iPad for Roblox. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure your iPad is updated to iPad OS 14 or newer, because older versions do not support PlayStation controller properly. Next, you want to turn on Bluetooth on your iPad by going to settings and then to Bluetooth, right, like that. Or you could just swipe down from the top right of your corner on your iPad and just go ahead and make sure Bluetooth is open from here. Then now you want to go ahead and take your controller, your PS5 controller, your DualShock controller, and you want to make sure it goes into pairing mode. And to do that, you want to go ahead and press the PlayStation button, which is this button right here. And you want to make sure you're also holding the create button at the same time, which is this button right here. So you want to hold both of these buttons at the same time for about 5 seconds, and until the blue light on the PlayStation controller starts to flicker, like this is this light here on this side. These lights start to blink, going white and blue again and again. And if it starts doing that, that means it's in pairing mode now. And once the controller is basically flashing, you can go ahead and look at your Bluetooth menu again, and you should see a DualShock wireless controller appear under the available devices. So you just have to go ahead and go to Bluetooth settings, and under your other devices you should find a DualSense wireless controller show up. If everything is done right, you want to go ahead and tap on it, and after a moment the controller will connect. When the lights stop flashing and stays on, the connection is successful, and now you can open Roblox on your iPad. Now, most Roblox games automatically detect the controller, so you don't need to change many settings, but in some supported games, you'll be able to move your character, control the camera, and interact using the controller buttons. If the controller doesn't work in a specific Roblox game, that just usually means the game itself does not support controllers yet. So it's not something that is wrong with your setup, but something that is wrong with the game. Also, if the controller was previously connected to a PS5, you may need to reconnect it to the console later using a USB cable. So overall, once paired, the PS5 to a PS controller gives a much smoother and more console-like experience when playing Roblox on an iPad. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and